Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Jessica, and today we're going to be cleaning, organizing, decluttering, purging, all of the things in my master bathroom because it is a complete disaster in here. I did purchase some organizing like bins and stuff, so I'll show you those, tell you where I got them from. I didn't spend very much money at all. I got them all on Amazon or at Target, and I'm going to go through all of my cabinets and the drawers and just organize things, get rid of what I don't need anymore, and give it a good clean. So if you need some motivation for your own space, then definitely stay tuned.
Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't pick it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright.
So I was going ahead and filling up my jetted tub with just some bleach water. It's kind of sudsy from just some like bubble bath product that had residue that had been left in there from my previous bubble bath. So it doesn't have soap or anything like that. I just added some bleach and hot water, and I was running my jets through a cycle. That's how I clean them, with bleach. And I've tried a bunch of different ways, and that's my favorite way to do it. So about once a month, maybe twice a month, I'll run bleach through the jets. I don't use the jets when I take a bath. But I do like to clean them either way because water and stuff gets up in there. So I'm just going ahead and doing that while I put together this shelf that I ordered on Amazon. I will link it for you guys. It didn't end up working in my space. It didn't quite fit underneath of my sink, which was really unfortunate because it's really cute and I think it's really functional, but I will use it somewhere. I might still even use it in my bathroom. I'm definitely going to use it. So I'm not too upset. It just didn't fit underneath of my cabinet. Our cabinets are really, really small.
Again. And tell me what you want. This time I won't take it to the heart.
I'm pretty sure this came in different colors too. I believe there was a pink one, a gray one, and then this white one.
Yeah, tell me what you want. Let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't pick it up. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright.
So as you can see, my vanity here is just a complete disaster. I have stuff thrown everywhere. There's no organization to it. I have so many products. It is ridiculous. So I brought a trash bag in and I definitely got rid of some stuff. And I did actually give some of my hair products and stuff to Madeline that I didn't end up liking, that I thought maybe she might want to try in her hair. And I actually got this little makeup case for Christmas last year from a friend, and I'm just now this Christmas putting my makeup into it. That's shameful, but it's like got these little slots you can organize and you can move them around and make them whatever size you need. So that's what I was finally getting around to doing. And then I got these little plastic like containers with lids at Target, and I think they were like 95 cents or something like that. I did like a Target pickup and they were 95 cents, and I think I got 3 of them. Maybe I got 4. But anyways, what I'm doing is going through my makeup and I'm putting like what I use more on a daily, regular basis into this little makeup organizer. And then I'm going to put products that I don't necessarily want to get rid of into the little clear container that I got from Target. underneath of my sink area, what I really wanted to do was not only purge through my products, but I also wanted to use different containers because the ones that I have been using under here weren't as aesthetically pleasing, I guess you could say, but more so than that, they weren't as functional for what I needed. I wasn't utilizing all the space in there. So first off, I'm just going to take everything out and then I'm just going to give it a good wipe down. And then I went through my products and then I used, and you will see, I used those 95 cents or however, maybe they were 98-cent little clear containers to organize like all of my extra stuff. We don't have like a pantry or like a linen closet in here. As big of a bathroom as this is, we don't. That would be really nice. But this is all of the storage that I have. So I wanted to be sure to utilize it as best as possible. And as you can see, this does fit under here, but you can't open the drawers because of the hinges on the cabinet. So for now, I just have it sitting here. I'm not sure where I'm going to use it, but I know that I will find somewhere to use it. Got these little white plastic bins on Amazon. I'll try to find those as well and link them for you. I think they came maybe in like a set of 2 or 3, and they weren't very much money at all because I've said this before, I don't like to spend a lot of money on organizing products. I don't want to spend more than a couple of bucks. I usually go to the Dollar Tree actually, but just with the way things have been and just the way I've been feeling, I've been doing a lot of online ordering. So I just did it on Amazon and they were really inexpensive. So now I'm just going through this drawer here where I had a bunch of random just extra products. I had like extra razor blades and extra skincare, all kinds of, literally just basically a bathroom junk drawer. So I'm going through that. I had some feminine products in there as well. So I wanted to just really make sure that I could see what I have. So I got these on the bullseye section or at the bullseye section at Target. I think it was $5 for all of these little organizing trays. And I think they might have had a different color of them too. Maybe they had gray. I can't remember for sure, but white is like perfect because it matches everything. So I put a couple of those in there and then I'm just organizing. So basically just any sort of like bathroom supplies that you can think of, like extra makeup sponges, razors. I think I put my lip products and skincare all in here by the end of it. And I totally meant to get like an overview of the drawers when I was done and I forgot, you guys, so I'm so sorry, but I did get an overview of the bathroom. I just forgot to get one of the drawers in the cabinet, but you can kind of see kind of how it turns out. And then I have this like really awkward corner cabinet here, which I'm really happy that they did put a door there and they utilized that space because it would have been just a waste if they hadn't. But it's really awkward. It's really narrow and I can't really explain to you, but it's like you can't fit anything in there. I usually put my feminine products in there, but as you can see, I have like way too much when it comes to that stuff. I don't even know what's wrong with me. I order stuff because I think I'm out. And then I get it and I'm like, oh man, I wasn't actually out. So as you can see, I'm not going to need to order any feminine products for quite some time. I mean, considering I am pregnant and I won't need them for a while, but I definitely have enough to get me by for at least a couple of months. So I'm just putting them in those 98-cent or however much they were. They were less than $1, little clear Target bins. So those things came in handy for so many different things.
In my head, yeah. Prayers from my Savior. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me,
And then as you can see, I was easily able to stack 3 of them in my cabinet there. And then I was also still able to put my little makeup case in there. So I've got my hair products, my makeup case, and then all my little extras stacked in there. And I like that they're in the clear cases because I can kind of see what's in there without opening it. And then I got these really cute little containers from Amazon. They're plastic. It came in the set of 2. Really inexpensive. I'll link them for you. I did Q-tips in one and then like my jewelry in another one.
shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh. Ain't it fun recognizing your mistakes? Got me like ooh, feeling so ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head, yeah. Prayers from my Savior. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me,
I got this really cute little 2-tiered stand off of Amazon as well. I got this over a year ago, I think, but I will link it for you guys. And it's really cute to display like your stuff that you use on a daily basis on there. So I put like my lotions and creams and like hair ties and things like that on there, and I set it like on top of my little counter there, and I think it's really cute. I think this was maybe around $20 for this. But like I said, I bought it like a year or maybe a little over a year ago, but I will link it. I'm pretty sure they still have it on Amazon.
now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head, yeah. Prayers from my Savior. Just let it rain all over me, 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 over Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the 2 of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that song.
Okay, so now I wanted to kind of organize and clean up around my tub. I'd already ran cleaner through the jet and I had drained all that water out, and I'm definitely going to wipe it down in there. But I have so much products just kind of sitting around. I had some like bath salts and stuff that I had gotten from Scentsy. I have this really cute little corner shelf I got from Target. And that's where I put like all my little bath stuff that I use in the bath, because I do take a bath almost every single day. So I definitely need to have products there for me. That's just what works for me. So this little shelf works perfectly. So I'm just using, I think, Kaboom I think is what it's called. I was just trying to use it up because I think I did end up using the rest of what I had to wipe down my bathtub. And I normally use a little scrub brush, like a dish wand, but on this day I was just getting at it. I wanted to be done. I had a rag, so that's what I used. But this scrubbing bubbles stuff, or the Kaboom or whatever it is, it does work really well. I prefer using Dawn Power Wash, but I was out. I just picked up some more today, but it works great for your showers and tubs.
Doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, be with you, be with you, be with you.
So now I'm just going through all of those products on that little shelf, wiping them all down because they can get kind of gross, and then kind of organizing them and deciding like if I really needed it there or if it was empty and I needed to throw it away and all that good stuff. I had some Epsom salt that I put into this plastic container here. I got this on Amazon as well. I'll try to find it and link it for you. I just take the bag and pour it in there, and it's just so much prettier and more convenient. And then I got these really pretty little bath roses, and even the grass is like, it dissolves in your bath and makes your bath water like super soft. It makes your skin, or it doesn't make your bath water soft, it makes your skin soft, and it makes it smell good. I got those as a gift from a friend. So I'm putting them in this little clear container here because I thought that it was not only pretty but functional. And that's actually one of my kitchen like airtight containers that I wasn't using. So definitely you can get creative when you're doing these organizing, and you can definitely use things that weren't necessarily meant for that. Whatever works, that's what I say.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my face.
And then by this point I was extremely tired, but I did want to still clean my toilet. So I'm just using like a Clorox wipe to wipe it down really quick, and then using my Clorox toilet wands to clean out the inside. And then my camera cut off for some reason. I think my battery died. So it kind of cut off abruptly. So I do apologize for that, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this bathroom organize and clean with me. I hope that it gave you guys some motivation. As you can see, I'm just running my robot vacuum in here because I was honestly too exhausted to vacuum and mop, so that could wait until the next day. So just do what you can do. You don't have to get it all done in one shot, you guys. Do what you can do, a little bit at a time. But hopefully this helped motivate you guys to get a project done in your home. I hope you enjoyed it. I cannot wait for next week's video because it's my Christmas takedown. I always love that time of year where it's like a fresh start. It's like a blank canvas. So that will be next week, where I'm taking down all my Christmas decor and cleaning. So definitely make sure you're subscribed. I have tons of cleaning videos and organizing videos on my channel, and I post videos almost every single Wednesday unless it's like a holiday. But anyways, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and give me a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to check the description box for links to things. So I will see you guys next week. Bye.
Don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here